Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install and set up the Consentmo GDPR app into your Shopify store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So after logging to your Shopify admin panel, go to the app section and you can just go to the Shopify app store from this pop-up, and you have to search specifically for the Consentmo app for the from the search field, and you can find the app details in here like this. So this is their installation page, and this is a Shopify app designed to help the merchants comply with the privacy laws and such as GDPR and also CCPA, LGBT, and other data protection regulations. So it provides cookie consent banners and privacy request management also, and with this consent tracking to help the stores to collect customers' data legally. So I recommend you to go through all these. They contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And also going down, you can see their pricing plan. And I recommend you to start with their free plan so that you can just explore more on this plan. And if this is beneficial, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And scrolling down, you can see some genuine reviews from different merchants also here. So just go through all these, and if everything is okay, you can just click on install button. Now Shopify will automatically download this app to your admin panel. Before that, it will ask for some need a pop-up access. This is a pop-up which tells us to this app will need some access and why this need the access and these apps privacy policy, everything you can just go and make sure each one is beneficial and is okay with your online store. If everything is okay, just click on install button, and now you can see the app installed to your Shopify admin panel. Now, in the left hand side of this app, you can see the Consentmo GDPR app showing like this. So click on this app, and now you can just select our region. So I'm just, if you have multiple region, you can just select that like this. Otherwise, you can just select for the any one. I'm just choosing USA and India for this, and I'm just clicking on next step. And here we can customize our cookie banners look to match the store styles and enhance the user experience. So the layout we can just go with either the box, banner, and the center popper. Let's go with the banner type. So you can just see the preview like this. And banner colors also you can make it either as a dark or a light. And if you want to make it other some colors, you can just or if you want to match this color to be exactly with the colors of the your online store theme or style, you can just go with the match theme color. I'm just going with the dark one, and I'm clicking on the next step. Now we can just customize each buttons here, like the default banner cookie behavior, whether it should show accept, reject, or preferences, or accept or preferences, or do not sell or share or accept. So you can just set the banner with the corresponding or the desired ones like this. So I'm just going with the accept, reject, and the preference one, and I'm just finishing the setup. Now you can choose your plan. Currently, I'm going with the free plan, so just go click on that. Now we are inside our Consentmo app. Now we have to enable our app embed. So just click on activate from this button. Now you can just see, on clicking on activate banner, you can just see it will guide you to some editor page, and make sure that these two Consentmo accessibility and the GDPR cookie ones both are enabled. So it will show like this. You can see the preview as like this in your show in your store. So this okay, you can just save it. Now the changes will be saved, and going back, and you can see that the cookie banner and app embed everything we have enabled. And You can just design your cookie banner like on customizing. So you can just set this top or bottom this banner, and there are multiple options also available here. You can just go through this and you can just have the customized one on your store. So this is very simple. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.